everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make homemade cranberry sauce. This is a super easy, delicious, and can be nutritious as well. I am going to cut down the tart cranberry taste with oranges, so stay tuned. Basically, we're going to warm a pot with some water and cranberries. Add some coconut sugar to kind of reduce the sugar content to this. We're going to zest one orange and add that to the cranberry mixture. I do this because it's going to give that orange flavoring. It's going to give that sour, some sweetness, and just make it even more delicious. I love to add cranberries to scones, toast, biscuits, add it with mashed potatoes. It's perfect all season long, and it's seasonal right now, so make sure you pick up some and prepare this recipe. Flavor it with some salt, pepper, nutmeg, and cinnamon. We're going to reduce the heat and simmer this until it thickens. So this takes anywhere, depending on your stove and your weather conditions, can take anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. Once this is all simmered down, which you're going to see here in a little bit, we're going to add about a cup of freshly squeezed OJ to it, and that's going to make it more liquidy, and we're going to cook it for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Cooking homemade and from scratch does not have to be difficult. It does take a little bit of time and preparation, but with the right tools and resources, I think it's doable and achievable. When you cook homemade, you're able to control all the ingredients and everything that is added to the recipe. So if you are on a low salt diet, you're able to control that. If you're on a low sugar diet, etc., etc. A lot of these foods help nourish the soul and bring so much energy and positivity to your life. So now that the cranberry sauce is done, we are going to go ahead and cool this. A lot of people like to eat this at room temperature, cold. I like mine semi-warm, so I'm not going to let it get too cold. And I like to have this on a biscuit or a scone. Like I said, a lot of people like to eat this as a side dish. My son is one of them, and feel free. Cranberries are filled with so many great ingredients. They're antioxidants. They help with a lot of important things in your diet. Just to name a few things, they help with urinary issues, upset stomachs, liver problems. They just basically clean out the system, and they're great for warding off tons of infections. So add cranberries as much as you can. They have tons of vitamin C and E, and like I said, antioxidants. So here we are. I am going to share a few clips at the end of the video with my family during this past holiday, and I hope you enjoyed, and thanks so much for stopping by the farmhouse. Oh, we gotta eat dinner first. But he said he's gonna eat some potatoes. Yeah, eat some of the cranberries and potatoes first. You want cranberries? Then we'll get the pies. Things? Did you make that in school?
That was my thing. I'm like,
are you a silly turkey? Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. I love it. Michigan colors, yellow and blue. Michigan? Is that Michigan colors? Aunt Laura and Uncle Tony. Uncle Tony's made some of my YouTube videos with his egg roll recipe. Oh, you gotta watch that one. Say happy Thanksgiving.
say happy Thanksgiving. Happy? No?
No, not today.